In 1804, Meriwether Lewis and William Clark set out from St. Charles, Missouri, to chart the vast lands of the Louisiana Purchase. More than 2 centuries later, travelers retrace that same path through rivers, plains, and mountain passes on the Rivers West path of Lewis and Clark guided RV caravan with Fantasy RV Tours. Your expedition begins where theirs did, at the Gateway to the West. Explore the Lewis and Clark Boathouse in Camp River du Bois, take a ride to the top of the St. Louis Arch, and walk the very ground where the Corps of Discovery launched their journey. As you trace the Missouri River west, history unfolds around every bend. Pioneer towns, steamboat relics, and monuments marking the explorer's trail. Each stop connects the modern traveler to the stories of those who came before. Cross into the Great Plains, where the expedition met the vast open West. Visit Native American cultural centers and forts that once sheltered the explorers, places where history and heritage converge. Stand where the Corps wintered at Fort Mandan, and where Lewis and Clark built bonds with the Mandan and Hidatsa peoples. From these northern plains to Roosevelt's rugged Badlands, the land still speaks of exploration and endurance. Follow the expedition's hardest passage across the mighty Rockies. Cruise the gates of the mountains, marvel at Glacier National Park, and relive the triumph of reaching the Continental Divide. Descend the Columbia River to the Pacific, where the Corps of Discovery completed their mission. Visit Fort Clatsop and stand at the end of their remarkable trail, where America's frontier met the sea. From St. Charles to the Pacific Coast, relive the adventure that defined a nation. Visit fantasyrvtours.com to learn more and subscribe to our channel for more guided RV experiences.